Start by packing your grout into the joints firmly and efficiently to create a uniform, sealed surface. For a laundry room tile floor, start with the right grout type, which for most ceramic and porcelain tiles is a sanded grout for joints wider than 1/8 of an inch and an unsanded grout for narrower joints. Mix to a mayonnaise-like consistency and let it slake for the time the manufacturer specifies so the cement hydrates properly and the color stabilizes. Work in areas you can finish cleaning within 15 to 20 minutes so grout skins do not form on the surface and become difficult to remove. Use a rubber grout float held at a 45-degree angle and push grout diagonally across joints to fully pack them rather than dragging along the tile face. After packing, move to a damp, not soaked, sponge and clean with light overlapping passes to remove haze without digging grout from the joints. Rinse the sponge frequently and change bucket water when it gets cloudy. Allow initial set, then perform a final buff with a soft cloth or microfiber to remove lingering haze and to polish joint edges for a crisp look. Always follow cure times the manufacturer lists before exposing the floor to heavy moisture so the grout develops full strength and water resistance. Common mistakes include using too much water when mixing or cleaning, which weakens grout and causes shrinkage and cracking, so measure water carefully and keep your sponge only damp. Another issue is leaving excess grout on tile surfaces, which leads to a persistent haze and staining, so clean as you go in small sections and perform a final buff after initial cure. A third frequent problem is working in areas too large at once, which allows grout to skin over before cleaning, making removal difficult. So limit your workspace to what you can finish in that 15 to 20 minute window and keep tools and buckets ready. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners find local contractors and let contractors connect with prospective jobs through our platform. We also host a discussion community where we share techniques, troubleshooting tips, and personal experiences to help users and professionals learn from each other.